Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, it's a different one. It's based around beauty, but it's not actually makeup. So I'm really excited to share with you. This is a product that has been kindly sent to me, and I had to sign an NDA, which basically means that I couldn't say anything about this product until they had officially launched it themselves, which they have. It launched on the 12th of April, so I'm excited to share with you today this amazing product. But before I do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so today, girlies, I was kindly gifted from the brand HiSmile their brand new teeth whitening kit. Now this is something that I have been wanting to do for such a long time, and when they got in contact with me, I was like, yeah, okay, I'll give it a try. And yeah, so my teeth aren't like, they're not like really yellow, even though I was trolled over on Instagram telling me that my teeth were really bad and yellow, which they're not. But anyway, that's for a story for another day. So yeah, when I received this, I thought perfect timing, because you know I've got the yellow teeth, and I thought I'd give it a try. So yes, they sent me over their brand new LED teeth whitening kit, and it's the PAT Plus formula, which means it's peroxide free, as it should be, to, you know, give you a nice white smile and a healthier way of doing it as well. So they sent me this back at the beginning of March. Yeah, it was the beginning of March they sent me this, and I have been testing it out and trying it out behind the scenes. And yeah, I've got loads of footage for you guys to check out so you can see the stages. I've got some footage so you guys can check it out and see, you know, what's gone on and how I think of it and stuff like that. And I'm going to give you my final thoughts about the whole thing once you've seen the process of how far, you know, we've come. So I received this lovely kit here with a lovely message saying, Christina would like to welcome you to the future of teeth whitening, peroxide free as it should be. We can't wait to hear your thoughts on our new PAT Plus teeth whitening kit. I was so excited when I received this, and I just felt like, oh my god, yeah, I felt like a little true influencer. But anyway, let's get into the kit so you guys can see roughly what you receive if you was decided to have your teeth whitening. I know it's something that I always wanted to get done because I drink a lot of coffee, and I haven't got like really bad teeth. My teeth are white, but there are a few yellow stains here and there, and that's down to the coffee and stuff that, you know, food and drink that we eat. So yeah, let's share it. So it comes like this. You also receive a little pouch here, and in there you have all the info. So our PAT Plus formula combines expert level formulation with a set of scientifically proven ingredients to provide fast, effective results. The highly reactive whitening agent lifts stains by targeting internal and external discoloration to provide an instant effect after just one treatment. PAT Plus also contains active ingredients that strengthen teeth and treat pre-existing sensitivity. Now, I've had no sensitivity at all during this process. This ensures a healthy, pain-free smile during and after the treatment. You will experience whiter teeth that feel healthier and stronger from a formulation designed to provide fast results without a pain and sensitivity. And then obviously you've got the instructions. I followed the instructions, but I realised I was doing it a bit wrong on the first couple of treatments. So I started testing it out, tried it again, and it did start to work. So basically, and it was actually working the way I did it as well, but because I haven't stopped drinking coffee, I think I would have got even better results, because you were supposed to drink coffee through a straw, which I wasn't doing. I put my hands up, I didn't do, because I kept forgetting, to be honest with you, just constantly. I've just needed my coffee the last few weeks anyway. So it comes with all this anyway. And then it comes with a colour guide. So basically you'll see where you start off with and then where you end up on. And I am now, I'd say, yeah, between 2 and 3. And I think I started off round about the 8-9 mark. So it does really you know, it does take them off. And I think if I had some more formulas, which I have used all of them now because I just wanted to make sure that I had really, really white teeth. But anyway, so this is how it all comes. So you get your 6 treatments here, and they actually say that you can get the results between 1 to 2 treatments, so you don't actually need to use these. And then obviously when you start, you know, you want to top up, and that's when you can have these like a spare treatment. So it comes with the LED light here, and then you've got the gum shield there, as you can see. Okay, and then it just applies, just literally fits onto the LED like so. There you go. And then what you'll do is you will take the treatment, which looks like this. Now, the only negative thing I'd say about these capsules is, if you can see, there's still a bit of treatment in there, and it's really hard to get all of the squeeze the treatment out and put it onto the gum shield. So as I've turned them all upside down, and I was putting them up because they come like this, so they come with the lid looking like that, but I've turned them all upside down so I knew which treatment I had used, so I don't start opening. It's obvious. And as I've done that, you can see more treatment coming in, so I could actually probably get another treatment out of that, couldn't I? Hey guys, so this is day 1 of using HiSmile whitening teeth whitening kit, and I'm really excited because it's obviously first time whitening my teeth. So I am going to check out and see what number I am originally, sorry, and then I'm going to go brush my teeth for 2 minutes. So you have to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to apply this with the treatment. So what I need to do is, obviously you take the battery little pull out to activate it, and then I'm going to take this little pod. There's 6 treatments in the box, and this one treatment I put on for 10 minutes, and then it says that I'm going to start seeing results after 1 to 2 treatments. So I'm really excited. Hopefully I can, you know, we can see a difference soon. So this is 1 treatment, and I basically have to put half on each side of this, which I will take you into the bathroom and we can do that, and I'll show you step by step on how to use it, so you guys can you know, check it out as well. So let's check to see what number I am on the teeth grid. I'm thinking what do you think? Maybe 9? Do you think more 9? Okay, so I'd say 9. So let's see what we can get to in a couple of days. So I will check in a couple of days when well, actually I need to figure out how many times you can actually use it. We'll figure that out and I will let you know. Okay, so we are in the bathroom now, and I'm just going to quickly brush my teeth and then we will get the treatment on. So here is the device, and it says to then take half of the, apply this side, and then some more over here. I need a wee. Okay, I think that's all I can get out. That's all on, and then place it in your mouth. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Give everything a quick rinse. Okay, teeth. The first 10 minutes have been done. I actually can see a difference already. Let's go and get the card and see where we are on the card now. Are we going down to like 7 already? Or inching 8? Yeah. So they have like brightened already. I can see a massive difference. Amazing. First 10 minutes. So what will 5 treatments do after? I'm hoping, are we down to about a 3, maybe a 2? Find out in a few days. Hey guys, so it's been a few weeks since I last used the teeth whitener, so I'm going to try it again because they say that you only need 1 to 2 treatments for your teeth to actually really change colour. So I've done the 1 treatment which you saw already, and they have, as you can see, have stayed white, and I've been drinking coffee, a lot of coffee. So we're going to do another treatment and see if we can go another coat. But before we do, I'm just going to get the colour coder, and then we can see how far along we've come, and then we can start from there. Okay, so as you can see, here is the colour thing, and I started off on 8 or 9, I think it was. So if we go, I say that I'm more between 5 and 7 now. So I'm hoping that by the time we do the other one, we're going to go down to 1. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. And I did it, what, 2-3 weeks ago? So let's go into another treatment. I'm going to start off like we normally do. Okay, so let's just get on with it. So I'm just applying the gum shield to the little handle, like that. And then I've got the treatments there. So I'm going to take another treatment, the second treatment. Open it up and then just squirt it alongside the gum shield, and then turn it over, and then do it on this side. Okay, and that's now going to go into my mouth, and then I'm going to press it, and then for 10 minutes it's going to flash, and once it stops flashing I know it's time to stop. So here we go. Okay, so 10 minutes is up, and this is what we've come with. Yeah, it's a bit messy towards the end, but hey. So let's go to the sheet now. I'll just give it a quick swirl, and then we'll go back to the colour code and see where we are at. Okay, so now if we go back to this and see where you're at now. Let me come a bit closer. We are in the section that we should be. So it's a big thumbs up from me, and I'm going to try and get it to number 1. So I'll probably do another treatment, but they do say that you can get the results, you only need 1 to 2 treatments, and then you can carry on as much as you want after that. So yeah, that is my teeth whitening experience. I'm so grateful, and yeah, I finally got my teeth looking nice and white. So I hope you guys enjoyed the footage, and as you can see, my teeth have got whiter using this fantastic kit. Honestly, I was a bit nervous, but I was really excited when they asked me to try it out for them, which I am honestly truly grateful. And yeah, so as you can see that my teeth did get lighter, and I am at like between 2 and 3 now, so it does go 3+ shades lighter than what you originally start with. I would say that I needed more than 2 treatments, which that's what they recommend. But I reckon if you are a heavy coffee drinker or you have got really yellow stained teeth, then maybe you need a few more treatments. I think if I knew what I was doing from the beginning, I probably would have only needed about 3 treatments to really get the result that I've got now. Like I said, I did it wrong at the beginning. I can't believe I don't know how, but anyway. And then I made sure that it was really covering the teeth, and I also paid particular attention to, I've got this tooth here, yes, this one here, and it has got a little bit of more of a yellow stain than the others have. So yeah, you can see it there. It's just slightly darker than the rest of the teeth, and that's how it was from the beginning, but it has got a lot lighter, as you can see. So this kit is retailing at £99, and like I said, you get 6 treatments. So you will get the results in about 2 to 3 treatments, and that leaves you with an extra 3 treatments. And then if you want to get some more capsules to carry on, you know, going on with the treatments, then that's like, I think they're £39 to get a set of the capsules alone. Let me just double check. Yeah, so if you want to get the pods individually, so you've already got the kit, the LED kit, then you just want to get the pods. That's £39 for an extra 6, so you can always top up when you want to, which is really good, especially like if you want to go out and you want to have like a nice clean smile. It's perfect because in 10 minutes you will get the results that you want. Okay, so like I said, the kit's £99, and in that kit you're going to receive the 6 pods, the LED machine and the mouth guard. They also have a toothpaste and a mouthwash, which they did say they were going to send out to me, but I don't know what happened, so I can't actually give my my review on them because I don't know if they work. But presuming if you did use the toothpaste and the mouthwash, then you're going to get even better results, and that's the whiteness will just keep coming. So I think I might order some more pods just to try it out and really and probably just drink coffee out of a straw. Left to cool down, but then what's the point in having a cold coffee? But anyway, thank you again to HiSmile for sharing, sending this out to me. I am truly grateful. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let me know if you've tried this before and what are your thoughts about it. Would you recommend, would you go and get it and try it out? £99 isn't bad, especially when it can cost hundreds of pounds to go to the dentist and get it done. I mean, you will get results in 10 minutes, which is amazing. Well, I did it in 3 consecutive days, and I did get the results I wanted anyway. As you can see, I am quite happy with it. So yeah, that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.